Okay, so welcome to my spider capo tutorial. Never done anything like this before. So we get the spider capo, here it is. So the knob is facing towards me as I put it on the neck of the guitar. I'm just going to kind of get a bit more space in so you can see it. I'm going to put it on the 2nd fret, so it's got you can't really see them. Oh, you can see that one if I pull that in. So you've got a little you've got 4 little tabs that rest on the top of the fingerboard, and those the tab that's sort of furthest away from the fingerboard is painted white. I didn't say that right at all. So anyway, you can put it either just above the fret with the tabs or just below. It doesn't make any difference because the position of the capo doesn't matter so much as the position of the little finger things, which they're facing toward the headstock. Okay, now having got it on, you have to be careful when you're putting it on that it doesn't drop too far down, and then you're grinding the little tab things into the neck of the guitar. Not good. So we'll start with a simple one. We put them all down except the bass string. So you just pull them up and the bottom goes down in a seesaw action, and certainly on my guitar, if you get them in the right place, you can move them along the little rod in order to get them positioned so you're not bending the string to one side or the other. That's on. So yep, that is now in position on the guitar. Let me move the camera a little bit. So this is, that's your drop D, only it's an E, but D shape. Okay, that's pretty good. But really you can do that with an ordinary capo just by not having it across the whole fretboard, so not particularly helpful. So let's go into the what you might call a dadgad style tuning. So that was the front door, just rung. I hope somebody else is going to go and answer it, and I hope it's not the landlord. Okay, so that's that's the door sorted out. Right, so we've got it in position, and we'll do a dadgad kind of shape, which is you're putting the string down on the A string, the D string, and the G string. So this is the kind of like a cheat dadgad sort of shape, but what you find is on this you get that drop D the same, so that's definitely done away with. On this in this shape you can use like 1 finger chords. So here I'm fingering the G string. Which is kind of like like a D shape or a D chord. We'll call the chords by what they look like, even though the capo's in position, it'll help. So you've got your D in there, you've got your A, then you've got your G there. That's and you can play the ordinary 4 chord shapes. They're not exactly the same, but they've got that extra character to them. So that's your dadgad. Lots of fun on that. Then we'll have the open A shape, which is you put the A string back to open and the B string on, and that's open A. Or so you're playing this chord, which is a G shape. That's the same. That's possibly this is a little bit more conventional, but I like it because you can do interesting things with the multiple similar notes. So this is just got the one finger on the bass string. That's nice, and you could also put this up to the 5th fret and then have an ordinary capo below it, 2 frets below, and you have a nice high tone. So I'll go on to just one more. So I'm already on the 5th fret, and I'm putting down the 2 middle strings, the D and the G string. So this is called on the guide. It's called A minor. It's a bit kind of spooky, isn't it, that chord? So on this, because it's on the 5th fret, you can also play above and below the capo, is what I'm trying to say. So on this you can do a lot of this. There's a lot of this pull-off sort of stuff, and you've still got the option of playing conventional chords. Some of them got quite a nice sound. Yeah, so this one I really like, just for like finger picking. I like that. that affected the octaves. So there's a few things to be going on with. I hope you conquer it and you find you get a lot of fun out of it. Okay.